Dan's Guitar Lessons. This week's episode, the B chord. Hey, Dan, over here.
Yes. Mysterious voice that appears to be coming from the air. What would you like?
It would be nice to have another guitar lesson video.
You know what? I think you're right. It is about time for another guitar lesson video. So why don't we get started right now? Hey. So, thank you for joining me on another fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing another guitar chord lesson video. A lot of people have been reaching out to me since the last video. And they're like, you played that B chord in the last video, but you never taught us how to actually play it. So today is the day where I teach you guys how to play the B chord. Are you excited? I'm very excited because I use the B a lot. I actually use the B minor a lot, but I'll show you the B major today because we haven't gotten to the minor chords yet. That's going to be another series that I'm going to have. And I hope you guys are looking forward to that. Please subscribe and like the video so I can continue to produce these majestic guitar videos for you to enjoy. All right, so let's get on to playing the B chord. So the first thing you need to do is you don't play the low string here. What we're going to be doing is the next string down, so the second lowest string, we're going to be pressing on the second fret with our first finger. All right? You can hear it resonate throughout the room. It's all this Sitka spruce top. You know all about the Sitka spruce tops. I know you do. I do. We've all watched the videos. So, anyways, that's the first note of the B chord. And this is going to be a bit different than the other chords that we've played before because this is going to be like a barred chord. And I know you guys are familiar with bars. I'm familiar with bars. That's the place that my father would go to after work. He'd go to the bar, then he'd get drunk, then come home and yell at me. I'm not sure if that's the same thing that happened to you guys or it's just me. But when I think of bar chords, I think of going to the bar. Okay, so that's the first note. The next note is going to be the fourth fret on the third lowest string, and I'm going to be playing that with my third finger. All right, and then on the next highest string, you're also going to be pressing the same fret. So the fourth fret, and then the next string up, you'll also be playing on the fourth fret. What I do is I lay my finger across and sort of just press down on all three of those strings with my one finger. So it comes out sounding like this. right, so we got the B chord. It sounds very, very happy and poppy. And now that we know how to play the chord, let's put it together with a few other chords and see what we can do. So let's give it a go and see what it sounds like. We'll do B, and then we'll do A, G, A, B. All right. So there's a few frills that you can do with the B chord. One of them is just doing the first finger and just a hammer on. That was pretty cool. So you can add like little solos. I think that went together. Kind of blanked out there for a second and didn't know what was going on. I was just speaking through the guitar and through my hands. I was just like transported into another world there. All right, so that was the B chord. I hope you had a fun time learning the B chord. If any of the parts of this video were a little too advanced or I was going a little too quick, just feel free to rewind the video. You can play it at half speed if you need to. But we know the B chord now together. The possibilities are endless at this point. I'll see you next time. Was that good enough?
I guess so.
Okay.
See you later.
Thank you.